Hi, this is our charcoal briquettes, coco charcoal factory. I want to show you our factory. Now it's time to explain to you what we use in our machine. And this is the one in front of me. It's a mixer machine. Before we put in here, this mixer machine for raw material, coconut shell charcoal. We put in here. This is the machine. Okay, we mix the coconut shell charcoal in here and mix with tapioca flour. This is tapioca flour. Usually we mix 5% for tapioca flour. And after that, we put it in here, and then the worker will shuffle the charcoal to here. Put it in this hole, and it will comes out in here. It goes to there. This is the sample that we have done. This is what after comes out for a mixer machine here, and then we move here. This is the second machine. We put it here. This is sample. After that comes out from here like a charcoal dough. After mixer machine, mixed with tapioca flour, it will comes out from here charcoal dough. And this is the conveyor belt for charcoal briquettes. It will come out from here, and this machine will break up to become the size that we need. Here we go. And then after that, after we finish here, we move to the trays. This is the trays. Okay, ready to put in the oven machine. And this is our oven machine. This is one of our oven machine, and that's the other one oven machine. People are working right now. Before we put the oven machine, we dry up in the sunrise for a couple hours. And this is the oven machine. I want to show you. This is the oven machine. We put in here. It's very hot here. And we scale in here and put it in the bag. This is the sample that we have done. Coco charcoal briquettes for a shisha or barbecue grill. We stock our coconut shell charcoal in here. This is our raw material, coconut charcoal. Coconut shell charcoal. So I'm gonna come back again. Now it's break time, so people don't work at this time. And then this is the sample that we have done. Cube shape, 2.5 times 2.5 size. My name is Ronaldo. So if you want to order for export or supply for exporter, I'm gonna support you for export documents and shipping and handling, and I'm gonna provide you all export documents such as SMDS, safety material data sheet. That's what we need when you want to export to many countries. We already export to Asia, such as South Korea, and to Middle East, like Lebanon, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Kuwait, Qatar, Syria, Iran, Iraq, and many other countries. Also Turkey. For Africa, we send to South Africa. And for Europe, we send to Germany and France, England. So I'm gonna support you for all document, export document, and for shipping and handling, I'm gonna assist you for that. This is the sample of shisha charcoal, cube size, 2.5. The size is 2.5 times 2.5 centimeter times 2.5 centimeters. The size can be variety. It can be cube size. It can be cube shape or a pillow shape or a rectangle or tube shape or many things like a box, block, or anything. We can customize for that. So, okay. If you want to ask for a question, you may contact the number that right below or WhatsApp me or contact me at any time. Thank you and have a good day.